Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
And welcome back to Benidorm. So we have got jokers here, but I'm gonna drive up pretty fast past there, music blasting. I am of course not trying to steal music, guys. So we are on the corner of Avenida Filipinas. We're gonna take a stroll down what I once said were the second British strip, Calle Lepanto. So there's Hotel Arcos Gold there, the Royal Arrow Bar being the more popular bar. On top, above the Royal Arrow is the Archers Lounge. Yeah, I'll probably say they are closed at the moment after the fire the other day. Coming past Toy Planet, yeah, some of the stuff in there pretty expensive, guys. New Indian restaurant as well, Seven Spices. Looks a nice place to go, guys. Oh. I'm starting to realise maybe a coat for tonight, not the best idea. Huh? What is it? Guinness bar looks full tonight, guys. Anyway, not an easy hire base there. Another little tattoo shop. And of course, the main attraction of this road, Miller's Bar. Owned by our beautiful friends, Frank the Stagman and Jake Benidorm. And it looks quiet tonight. Wow. Are we early? Are we late? I don't know. But yeah, if the question I've seen on Facebook is I'm coming to Benidorm, like, it's best to organise events like pub crawls, parties, stuff like that. Miller's Bar. Get in touch with either Frank the Stagman or Jake Benidorm on Facebook or TikTok, or just pop into any one of the bars. Of course, Miller's Bar or Sin City Beach Bar just down the side of Tiki. They sort you out, guys. They are really good. And of course, much love to Jade and Frank. They have helped support the channel a lot. And they are getting married soon as well, so congratulations, you two. The new Sinatras as well there, guys. That looks fabulous, actually. I love the neon sign with, of course, the man himself, Frank Sinatra, lifting up his top hat. Very fancy. Very fancy. So yeah, as you can see, Calle Lepanto, not very busy, not as busy as the main British strip. Peter's Sports Bar as well there. And Camden Town, just there, guys. Another great bar. One of the recently open bars are getting the Elephant as well. Very colourful. I bet Scooter C wishes she could hang that up in her room. Up there, of course, is what used to be Sinatra's and the Birdcage. It appears like something's been done to the old Sinatra's. Just a pile of bags of sand. Weird. Maybe they're going to turn it into a sandpit. And of course, everyone's favourite, the Benidorm Square. You can't go wrong down there, guys. You can't go wrong with a night out on Benidorm Square. Of course, newly opened Bahamas, recently reopened, recently refurbished just down there. And all the dancers are out. Coming up the back of Cafe Benidorm. So yeah, there's Cafe B, the back entrance. Made famous, of course, by the Benidorm TV series. And, of course, the failed bar, Planet Pop. Now, the story to go with that, wow, it weren't meant to be going to the Birdcage, what used to be the Birdcage. That is where it were originally planned to go, guys. Then they said, you know what, scrap that, move it down the road, go Silvers. So that was the plan. Then opening day were coming up. No work had been done. Just a few posters with the branding Planet Pop. But the dream, the new planet, ceased to exist after only a few short months of being open. But here's the question. Will we ever see Planet Pop return to Planet Benidorm? Will we ever see it back open? That is the question. It was made out to be a pretty big bar, taking you through pop music from the 90s, the 80s, 70s and the 90s. It was made out to be the next big thing in Benidorm. But what it turned out to be, the next failed project in Benidorm. Yeah, it is sad when you have a dream of opening a bar and it goes to crap. Hate to say it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this adventure down Calle Lepanto. Smash that like, smash the subscribe. Stay tuned for many more Benidorm content. And don't forget, guys, for tips on how to make the most of your holiday here in Benidorm, Sun Fiesta, the ultimate handbook of Benidorm, is now available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. Link down below. Oh Jesus, that scared me. See you in next one, guys. Much love.